pretty easy. The settings, look, when you push power off, it gives it about 15 seconds and then it'll completely shut off. Okay. Turn it back on. This one is for the fan. You want the fan, you want the heat 1, heat 2, eco-friendly, timer, and this is to oscillate it. This thing blows nice, warm, hot air.
Here's the heater. Basics, and you can see it doesn't turn on even though it's plugged in. And if you come around to the back, you can see the toggle right here. It won't click into place, it just kind of floats. It doesn't stay in position. So yeah, and it won't turn on at all anymore.